How to remove pop-up ads on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove pop-up ads on Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check recently installed app. So simply open the settings app and now here, once inside it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, just tap on manage apps and here in this section, look for the recently installed or any suspicious app. And here, once you found any, then you can just tap on it and uninstall any app that might be causing the pop-ups. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear the browser pop-ups. So simply open any browser and now here once inside, then you simply have to go in that browser settings and now here in the section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the site settings. And now here inside this section, just scroll down and tap on pop-ups and redirects. And now here in this section, you simply have to disable this option. And here also clear the browser cache and history to remove any ad scripts. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to enable the Play Protect. So simply open the Google Play Store and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on Play Protect and make sure that it's turned on to scan apps with Play Protect to detect any harmful apps. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to install an ad blocker. So here you can use apps like AdGuard or any Brave browser to block ad system wide or in the browser. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So here after making all these changes, you can simply restart or reboot your device to ensure that all pop-ups are gone. And that's it. That's how you can remove pop-up ads on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.